If you are interested in investing money in Bitcoin, we suggest that you read the benefits of this currency in this video. According to many research studies, Bitcoin investors are the most successful investors in the world. For instance, founders of eBay, PayPal and Yahoo have invested huge sums in this currency. Although your financial success depends on a number of factors, this digital currency has been gaining a lot of popularity across the world. Unlike other currencies of the world, cryptocurrencies offer a lot of advantages. Most currencies are prone to a number of challenges that have an impact on the value and buying power. On the other hand, the good thing about cryptocurrencies is that they don't have that many challenges to face, as the buying power of it is not controlled by any authority. Let's check out some of the benefits of this investment. Lower risk of inflation. We know that regular currencies are under the regulation of their issuer governments. At times, it leads to a great increase or decrease in the value of the currency, as government tends to keep printing a lot of money. As the value of a currency drops, its buying power also drops. Therefore, more money is required to buy the same thing. So, it works like a tax on the money you already have. With Bitcoin, there is a different system. According to experts, 1 unit of this currency will be enough to meet the needs of 500 people across the globe. This is quite interesting piece of information. Lower risk of falling. According to investors, this currency comes with a lower falling risk, unlike the regular alternatives. The reason is that it has a global circulation and doesn't get affected by government policies. In other words, even if there is a collapse of the regular currency or hyperinflation, Bitcoin won't lose its value. Transactions are quite simple. Another advantage of this currency is that it allows easy, cheap and simple transactions. Since buyers don't have the right to claim their funds back after making a purchase, the sellers can send the product without worrying about losing their money. Portability. The existing major currencies are hard to carry around, especially in large quantities. Aside from this, it's quite risky to carry millions of dollars to meet your buying needs. On the other hand, Bitcoin offers portability, which means you don't need to carry a single dollar with you. No tracing. Cryptocurrencies can be traced back to the source, which is another advantage of investing in Bitcoin. As soon as the seller has received the coins, it won't go back to the purchaser no matter what. Therefore, no government can trace the fund's source. Long story short, if you are looking to invest in Bitcoins, we suggest that you consider the benefits explained in this video. This will help you make the best decision to meet your needs.